Imagine watching a video and then seeing a computer recreate what you saw, from your brainwaves or silently thinking a sentence, and having it typed out on a screen. This isn't magic. It's neural decoding, and it's already real. Neural decoding is a technology that interprets patterns in brain activity and translates them into thoughts, images, or commands. It's a form of brain-computer interface, but way more advanced. We're talking about reconstructing visual experiences, recognizing imagined speech, and even predicting decision-making. In 2023, researchers at the University of Texas developed an AI model that could reconstruct entire sentences using fMRI brain scans. Participants listened to podcasts. The app predicted what they were hearing using only their brain activity, and it worked. Other research teams, including Meta, Stanford, and Neuralink, are now racing to build their own systems, using everything from non-invasive headsets to implanted neural electrodes. But how does it work? The brain doesn't use language. It fires neurons in patterns. Neural decoders analyze those electrical signals and translate them into a format machines can understand. Some use AI language models like GPT to decode internal speech. Others use image generators like Stable Diffusion to recreate what the subject is seeing. And the results? Shockingly accurate. In Japan, researchers reconstructed images subjects were looking at using only their brain scans. The AI-generated visuals were blurred, but clearly reflected what was in the person's mind. At Stanford, a brain implant enabled a paralyzed patient to type using thoughts at nearly the speed of a smartphone user. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. But it raises serious questions. If a machine can read your thoughts, what happens to privacy? Could companies skin job applicants for dishonesty? Could governments monitor dissent before it's spoken? Could thoughts be hacked? Neuroscientists and ethicists are now pushing for neural rights, legal protections that treat brain data as personal property. Some countries are already drafting legislation, because when technology enters the mind, everything changes. What's next? In the next decade, neural decoding could give speech back to the voiceless, enable hands-free computing, even allow thought-to-text communication in real time. But it could also blur the line between what's private and what's shareable. You may not need to speak to be heard. You may not need to move to act. And you may not need to write to be understood. The machines are learning to listen to your thoughts. And once we unlock the brain, there's no going back.